Hi everyone, this is Sadie Heckman at Yew Dell Botanical Gardens, and today I want to show you some of the preparations we're doing for all of our upcoming workshops. Things that you'll see are fall wreath making, ornament making, holiday wreaths, and so much more. And some of the preparations that you're going to see are working with volunteers and staff on collecting dried florals, fruits, and all kinds of other really cool things in the gardens. So enjoy some of the things that you see and follow us along on This Week in the Gardens. Alrighty, so last season was our very first time doing fully horticultural displays for the interior escapes for Yuletide, and we're very excited to bring it back for this season. And what we did is we're actually going to have a theme going forward. So for this year's Yuletide, you're actually going to see edibles on display for all of our dried floral arrangements, and we're very excited for this. So what you can see with Mary and Amanda here is that we took dried thyme and we are pressing it through a sieve to get all of the leaves off, and we're going to make and create different types of ornaments using this thyme. So right now it smells fantastic in here. We got some lemon and some regular thyme going, and we're just working it through the sieve, and we're going to see what we can create out of all of these dried herbs. So you'll see this happening in the Hort Center, so definitely come and check it all out because it's really cool in here. Something totally brand new for this season is we're adding on a fall wreath making workshop. So what we've been doing is in the cut flower garden, that is also new for this season, is collecting all of our dried florals, hanging them up in the horticulture center. We actually just took these ones down today, and we're collecting these to incorporate into the fall wreath making workshops. So if you come to that, some of the things that you might use are dried statice, echinops, Shasta daisies, and a lot of really cool plants that are all grown here on site, and you'll be able to take home in a really cool fall wreath making demonstration that we'll do here at Yew Dell. So I hope you enjoyed a glimpse behind the scenes of all of our decor preparations for the holiday season. If you'd like to see more in depth, feel free to pop in on Wednesdays and Thursday afternoons when our staff and volunteers are working hard on all of the preparations. Thank you so much and enjoy.